So your Westinghouse Roku TV is not connecting to the Wi-Fi, and the home screen may be showing not connected, or it maybe just keeps disconnecting while you're streaming. Well, don't worry, let's fix the problems with a few simple solutions. So first, if it's showing not connected, we're going to perform a cold boot on our TV. Unplug it from the power outlet, wait for about 60 seconds, and then you can plug it back in and turn it on again. Now, while the TV is restarting, restart your Wi-Fi router as well. You can either unplug it for 30 seconds or just turn it off, wait around 1 minute, and then turn it back on again. And now let's check if the internet is fully restored or not. Now, talking about routers, make sure your TV is within a good range of the router. And if the signal is weak, you can move the TV or the router closer to each other if possible. And if the problem still isn't resolved, since we can forget and reconnect the current network, we're going to just reset the network settings. So for that, go to Settings, to System from there, to Advanced System Settings, from there to Network Connection Reset, and then select Reset Connection. Now this will remove your Wi-Fi password, make sure you got that. Now the TV will restart automatically after the reset network. Once it turns back on, reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. And just in case, a reminder, if you have recently changed your Wi-Fi password, make sure you're entering the new correct password, as that could be causing the connection issue. Now, in most times, these steps are enough to solve any Wi-Fi issues on your Roku TV. Just in case, if it's still not connecting, we're going to try resetting the Wi-Fi driver from the Roku secret menu. So just grab your remote, press the home button 5 times, and then press up, down, up, down, up. When the secret menu appears on your TV, from the right-hand side, select Reset, and then first you're going to run Driver Reset, followed by Chip Reset and Driver Reload. After the process is finished, press on your home button to get out of that. And once again, it'll be disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Just go ahead and reconnect your TV to your Wi-Fi network once again. Your problem should be solved at this point. If it's still not working for any reason whatsoever, and you need to get the TV online quickly, you can try connecting it to your phone's mobile hotspot. So just turn on the hotspot on your phone, and then from the network settings on your TV, just go ahead and connect with your mobile hotspot instead of your home Wi-Fi. And there's a thought. If the TV connects successfully with your hotspot, the problem is most likely with your Wi-Fi network or the router, not the TV itself. So let us know in the comments which one it is. Thanks for your time.